Hi guys, hi beautiful people. I especially welcome you all to your favorite vegetarians channel, Macoms Veg Kitchen. I trust you all are doing so well. I want to thank each and every one of you for being supportive of this channel. Today's video we are cooking macaroni and potato salad. Let's get started. So for the ingredients, I have pineapple, apple, carrot, green bell pepper, cucumber, scallions. I have vegan mayo and salad cream. I've also got some milk and macaroni. I have potatoes as well. I have sugar and I have sweet corn. I start off by bringing water to a boil, and I'm just going to add a little bit of salt, just about half a teaspoon, and then when it boils or when the water is hot, I go in with the macaroni, give it a good stir, and I'm going to cover it up for about 5 to 8 minutes. Whilst cooking, I go ahead to prep my Irish potatoes. It's neatly washed, so I cut it into halves and then chop it into fine shapes. For this recipe, I'm using Irish potato, but you can use any potato of your choice. If you prefer the sweet potato, you can use that. I go ahead to prep my carrot as well. I chop it up. I'm just using one large carrot. Right when I'm done with the carrot, I check on my macaroni and it's halfway cooked, so I go in with my carrots and my Irish potatoes. I added it, give it a good stir, and I'm going to cover it and let it finish the cooking process. After about 5 minutes, I get to check on my macaroni, carrot, and potato. It's not properly cooked at this point, so I gave it a good stir. I mix it all up and I cover it to finish the cooking process. Now to prepping of my green bell pepper. I'm using one large bell pepper, so I chopped it up. And right when I'm done with it, I go ahead to prep my scallions or spring onions. Mind you, all vegetables or all ingredients are neatly washed. Right when I was done with my scallions, I prepped my cucumber as well. I divided it into 2 halves, I deseeded it, and then I chop it up beautifully. Now to the fruits, I go ahead to chop my apple. I'm using one large apple and then just a small finger of a pineapple, so I chopped it up beautifully and I'm going to set it aside. Trust the process, guys. You're really going to enjoy this meal when it's done. It's super delicious. I go ahead to check on my macaroni and it's well cooked at this point. It's so soft, so I take it off fire and I'm going to drain the liquid. With this beautiful sieve of mine, I drain the liquid and then I allow it to cool off. But at this point, it's still cooking, so I would have to go in with the water to just end the cooking process. There you have it. I rinse it off with cold water so I can stop the cooking process. And just look at how it's sitting pretty. Now all is set. I'm just getting ready to start my salad. Now into a fine salad bowl, I add some sugar and I add my vegan mayo. I'm going to stir it up until the sugar dissolves. So as you can see in the video, I give it a good stir until the sugar dissolves. Now I go in with my milk, also vegan milk. So I add it in bits and then I give it a good stir. This is to dissolve the sugar and mix up everything thoroughly. Now I go in with my black pepper. I added about a teaspoonful of black pepper and I mix it all up. I go in with just another milk because it's so thick at this point, so I added the milk just to lighten it up. Now into my salad bowl, I added my chopped veggies, that's the cucumber, green bell pepper and scallions. I also go in with the yellow sweet corn and see how beautiful the colors are popping. I do well to mix it all up. Right after that, I go in with my sweet apples. I add my apples and also mix it up. And I go in with the vegan milk and give it a good stir. And guys, I want you to trust the process because this is a simple, quick fix, yet delicious. I now add my macaroni, my carrot, my potatoes, and I mix it all up. Then I add my already mixed salad dressing. I add it in bits and I'm going to give it a good stir so every portion can have a little bit of the milk, the dressing, the potatoes, the macaroni, carrot, everything. I mix it up. I add my milk again and then I add my macaroni. As you can see in the video, I like to do it in portions so everything can mix up properly. And I go in with the last batch and there you have it. I added the milk and give it a good stir. And guys, as you can see, I'm going with the salad dressing and food is ready. This is delicious. Trust me, everyone can enjoy this and ask for more. It's sitting pretty. I totally enjoyed it with my family. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you loved it, do well to give it a big thumbs up as it helps the channel grow. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Share this beautiful recipe to all your contacts. And guys, I especially want to thank you all because it is our anniversary month. Macoms Veg Kitchen is a year old. And thank you so much guys for sticking and staying with us. We have grown as a channel and it's possible because you guys made it so. Thank you so much. God bless you all. And until I see you in my next one, stay beautiful, stay positive. Bye guys.